Here's a quick guide on how to use your Coleman Classic propane stove. Always place the stove on a sturdy, flat surface. Open the lid and position the wind guards as desired. Make sure the pot support, which is the metal grate, is in place and both knobs are in the off position. Take the regulator and screw it into the stove until it is hand tight. Remove the plastic cap from the top of the propane bottle and screw the propane bottle into the regulator until it is hand tight. Make sure the propane bottle is tilted with the top facing up. Hold a lighted match or butane lighter near the burner and turn the knob so that the burner is on. Adjust the knob until the flame is blue with a hint of yellow on the tips. Repeat the previous steps to light the second burner. When finished, turn all burner control knobs to off, remove the propane bottle and regulator. Once everything cools, clean the stove, place the gold end of the regulator into the hole provided for secure storage, fold the wind guards, and store away. For more information, visit Coleman.com or download the Coleman app.
Hey guys, today we are checking out the Eureka Ignite stove. This thing is awesome, I love it. It's the perfect stove for a weekend of car camping with friends, and today I'm gonna walk you through what it's all about. With the Ignite, you get the easy and precise control of home cooking in the outdoors. With most other camp stoves, you get two settings, on or off. With the Ignite, you get a huge range of adjustability thanks to Eureka's 2-turn ultimate simmer control. This allows you to really dial in the heat output of each burner individually, and you'll never have to worry about uneven omelets or burnt bacon again. The other great thing about the Ignite is the drip tray here is actually made from stainless steel, which makes cleanup really easy. With the Ignite, you also get rubber non-slip feet that keep it from sliding. It also comes with a super reliable